Before doing any service, be sure that you address any damages and document them before starting service on the vehicle. Alright, today we're doing an oil change on a 2018 Acura MDX. Right, Hitokit? We got our no oil cone, so we remember that there's no oil and we don't start it. First things first, we're going to locate the dipstick right here. We got to clean it to get an accurate reading. Then we got to put it back in to get our reading of what the dipstick is telling us how much oil is in there. And then pull it back out. And it looks like we are about a quart low because it's at the bottom hash mark. So put it back in, and we'll also leave it sitting right about there. That way we know also that there's no oil in it. The next thing that we're gonna do, we can see anything that is damaged with the tires, because the tires are important. You see any damage? Oh, missing a valve cap. The rims are kind of messed up a little bit. And it looks like this tire pressure is a little low.
Oh, she didn't lose this.
Good job. Yep.
Yeah. In the middle.
What do you got? All right, go to the next one. Take your reading. $5.32. Good job. Good job.
This one.
Now we gotta get our creeper.
That's like the Minecraft that blows up. Okay, that's her creeper. Can I go under it?
Yeah, that's why we're grabbing the creeper. Okay, can you hold it? See if you can lift it.
Not lift this thing. Ugh. Ugh. Don't leak gas on me.
Okay, and this is gonna go underneath the drain pan.
Never been under a car.
Well, now you have.
I'm gonna check if anything is broken over here.
You're letting air out. See, now you're not letting air out. Which is kind of good because you want to let air out. Because remember what the tire pressure was?
What the heck?
What was the tire pressure on this car?
35.
Alright, good job.
Can you help me? I did that all by myself, and that's why I could open milk. A little milk bottle.
Button.
This one?
Mm-hmm. 11 PSI. What? That's super low, huh? 30. Nice. Right on. Okay, now you can take it off. What's our PSI at?
Please don't make it
36.
35. 36. Please don't make it make
All right,
noise.
35. That's where it's supposed to be set at.
Okay.
36. Gotta let some out. It's just barely squeezed. Good. Hey, you did it. You did it.
Poured it out.
See? That's what holds it on.
Some gasoline. Some gasoline right there. This one.
And we should be able to take it off by hand. There's our part number.
Okay.
Don't drop it, okay?
Okay.
We don't want to drop oil filters because they're very delicate.
Very delicate. But not if they're in plastic. Cool. Number 1.
Yeah.
Okay, number 1.
Mobile one.
Mobile.
This is dry. So we got to take a little bit of oil on our finger
On our finger.
and then rub it around the gasket. So that way we don't dry gasket the oil filter. Okay. 3.5 Acura MDX. We have an extra long funnel, and we've taken the cover off and stuck the extra long funnel into the oil filler. Got our oil cap off. 020. With some over 020. And find out the capacity on all data. We're looking on all data currently right now, and it's showing that the 2018 MDX all-wheel drive 3.5 on oil change including filter is 5.4 liters, and if we were doing an engine overhaul we'd be doing 6 liters, 6.1. This is 5 quarts, and this is going to take 5.4. So we're going to fill it up with this one along with one more half quart. And we're going to save this and then empty the old oil. Got 5.4 quarts of Mobile 1 020. Gonna put the cap back on. Fire it up, check for leaks. We can remove our no oil cone. There we go. Put the dipstick back in. There we put the cover back on. There's the basics of the 2018 Acura MDX oil change from start to finish, checking tire pressure, oil levels, and filling up oil levels with proper viscosities and also proper capacity. Any questions or comments? Leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.